two major goals in mind in designing this website. Our first goal is to empower educators with enough confidence to allow bring your own devices in their classroom. We do this by providing enough information that they can use in their specific classrooms. Our second goal is to help administrators and policymakers by providing them the basic information about school-wide bring your own device implementation policy. This video is specifically introducing why we think bring your own device can be beneficial in our classrooms and to provide some helpful tips for novice teachers. Some of our team members have done flipped classrooms in high school and found out that if we allow bring your own devices in classroom, teachers can provide web quests, simulations, real-world problems, and other endless student-centered learning opportunities along with managing behavior with behavioral management apps. Teachers become more productive as online formative assessment is very quick, fair, and consistent. Moreover, teachers do not need to bring school library devices, which means they do not need to waste their time to sign in and sign out the devices. In addition, students like their personalized devices and could use class time more wisely if trained properly. For example, instead of drawing a mind map with pen and pencil, a group of students can use an app on their individual device, which is less time consuming and more collaborative. Moreover, instead of writing a test, students can choose from a diverse range of tools to make their learning visible. For example, instead of writing a lab report, students may make a video of the experiment and explain the results. They can instantly add their achievements to their online portfolio as well. There are never-ending opportunities available if students and teachers are trained properly and have genuine motivation to use bring your own devices in their classrooms. However, we suggest starting with small steps. Instead of doing a complete overhaul of the traditional classroom, start using bring your own device activities once or twice a month for a small period of time. Along the way, keep fixing the bring your own device policy and collaborate with other like-minded educators online or in your school until you're confident with your own bring your own device policy. We have also provided some examples here to introduce bring your own devices in your classroom. For example, you can ask your students what can they do with bring your own devices if they are allowed to bring them in school and how can they ensure digital safety. This will give them ownership of bring your own device classroom management policy. They can also brainstorm which apps or websites can be useful for a particular assignment. If you have a blog or website, then group projects may lead to even more meaningful social interactions among students even after the class. But we think individual accountability plays a huge role in any group work. Thus, all students should have their own set of tasks. For example, during a group project, along with working on their own part of the assignment, they might play an important role to make the team successful. For example, team leader ensures smooth functioning of the group work, organizer divides the task, presenter uploads or presents the assignments, and reporter explains what the group has learned so far. And while doing this group work, not only students will excel in their group projects, they may also learn many leadership qualities and how to be good digital citizens. For in-depth information about digital citizenship, a possible instructional cycle appropriate in a bring your own device learning environment, a sample lesson plan on electricity, bring your own device apps for each component of sample lesson plan, assessment with bring your own devices, and classroom management with bring your own device, please click on the links given at the bottom of each page.